Everybody has to be tested here, so they are doing the big job. Mipung kudimak loina test the weather mis data office sa maheisang ni laichat here. 35.9 0.8. How? Okay, your body temperature. Yeah. You have class here or you? Alright, now for the night school, I'm one of the volunteers here to post and check the student's body temperature. This is the screen and the machine is here. This can tell from far the body temperature, just like we use in the airport. Same. Airport like video what's up man sige video kilisi sensor. The sige screen the body temperature is torpa. I'm showing on na like karigumba coffee asaba ga poragadi temperature jam saba hengale aduna moina si thamba taba kogi asaba potu thamaga kana amuk lawi sida moigi kong ne phamsina left kadaba aduga si mataki essentially there is the festival the gauge from the screen si the moigi body temperature thoran ayambana kuntraga mari kuntranga doi the loi lai nei body temperature si aihakna kuntraga mari doi the lai makoigi makuta sigi si chairani sumana toroga bacteria virus ke du atokna ba adi matungda sigi stam si namgada ba moigi makuta makoi check tawre abtu test tawre abtu khangna na ba adugi matungda makoi ji class ta thaga dorinni si kanamata chitha ba yade sumai todana somda leide sumaina todana hujikse matam loselabnina misi lapa khajiktang yamdre aduna sida leidi ba samaina asom nakanda muk leidi se asina khogi motorcycle tonga car tonga lakpa kambu se jik sit lai si loina tawdanya somda motorcycle gi lambi ama ade car gi lambi ama sida se si ten manung sida tawri se moi security khoi moi ahum ne si tawri si sida si ayuki pung tare tagina numidangi pung tara bok tawgidarumni yamna waba zanida adu bu tawda yadabanina tawrimne loina akhoi su mateng pangimni sida de somda akhoi gi ujeng numidangi la gi maheisang uje ai tawgadawra here. Okay, body temperature is 36.3. Okay, out here. Stamp number. Okay. Here. 35.9. 0.8. Okay, your body temperature. Yeah. You have class here or you stay here?
Hi, my name is June. My teacher is Dr. Matou.
Hello, Jane. Good to see you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jane, do you feel safe studying here?
Yes, I feel very safe.
Okay. Why?
Because every day check my school check temperature and
every day.
Yes.
At the gate, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have the checking today's stamp?
Yes.
Alright, this is the stamp. After checking body temperature, everyone has to get this stamp on their hand, on their knuckle. So just like I had my checking here today, and so we feel very safe studying here at Hungkuo Delin University of Technology. And not only checking at the gate, we also have to use max in the class, right?
Yes.
Just like right now, Jean is using the max, and this is we have to use all the time in the class, right?
Yes.
Not only students, but we also teachers also have to wear, right?
Right.
Okay, good to see you, Jean, and stay safe. And I'll see you in my class later. Okay, see ya.
See ya.
It's Jack. I'm a student at Hungkuo Delin University of Technology. My major is Applied English, and Dr. Muti is my teacher in this department.
Okay, hi, hello, Jack. Good to see you back.
Good to see you too.
I'd like to ask you some few questions about this coronavirus.
Okay.
Do you feel safe studying here these days at Delin University?
Yeah, I feel pretty safe
Okay, tell me why you feel safe.
because our country virus prevention I think they did very well.
Okay, what about here at Hungkuo Delin University? How is the checking here?
Checking here, yeah. Before we enter into the school, we have to get a thermometer to check our body temperature
Where?
in
At the gate, right?
at the gate.
Okay, do you have the stamp on your hand? Today's checking? On your hand?
Okay. Yes.
You have the stamp? Can you show me?
Yes. Please.
All right, this is the,
It's not clear.
yeah, okay, this is the testing body temperature checking stamp, so which we go through every day, right? Okay, so yeah, we are a little bit scared, but still we feel very much safer than many other countries, right?
Okay. My name is Brandon. I'm a student of Hungkuo Delin University of Technology, and I'm Dr. Mitei's student. Yeah.
Hi, Brandon. Good
Hi.
to see you here. Okay, let me ask you a few questions about this coronavirus spread. Do you feel safe studying these days?
Yeah, of course, because we have temperature checking in each gate, and after checking, if your temperature is safe or okay or good, you will have this stamp.
All right.
Yeah.
So actually, these days right now it's more than 422,000 have been infected all around the world, and more than say 18,000 have been killed
Yeah.
by this virus. But here in Taiwan, we can still go to schools and universities and study, right?
Yeah.
So, how do you think about Taiwan's this disease protection steps?
I think our medical system is quite good, especially in school. Teacher will ask us to wearing the mask in the classroom to prevent our saliva spread in the air, so we can protect each other, protect myself and protect other people. Yeah.
All right. So, not only using masks and checking body temperature at the gate,
Yeah.
we also use insecticide sprays, hand sanitizer sprays, right? And not only that, we also use the insecticide or sanitizer liquid to clean the tables, the microphones, and any other stuffs we might touch them, right?
Yeah.
So I think we all feel a little bit worried, but we still feel much safer than other countries,
Right.
Okay, good to talk to you,
Yeah.
Brandon, and see you in my class later.
Yeah. See you later. Thank you.
Hello，我叫潘夏怡，我现在就读洪国德林大学的学生。Mr. K 是我的英文老师。
Hello, Yuna.
Hello，
Do you feel safe studying these days? I just interviewed some of my students, and most of them feel pretty safe. because we have very good testing and checking system in our university. Hello, aihakning Dr. Mitei, mayambo amukahan kurumjari, tagatjari video asubiyang bibugidamak. Iram damdadi asugumba section thorangsi laitabanina, irei chasing na yamna section na laipiu haina Taiwandagi paudamjari. Hello, this is Dr. Mitei. Thank you once again for watching this video. If your country doesn't provide this kind of checking and testing facilities, please make sure you stay away from crowd and contacts with people. And if possible, please stay home safe. Thank you so very much.